going to show you how to 3D print a Missingno. What is a Missingno? It's a sort of legendary, mythical, don't catch this Pokemon. It appeared in the first generation. It was not an official Pokemon because it was in fact a glitch. If you ran into it, you could multiply an item, I believe in the 6th slot of your inventory. But if you caught it, it could corrupt your save. You know, I'm always talking about my day job, which is that I own a 3D printing business, but never showing you guys, so let's do that. I have here the Missingno. It's just sort of a weird mishmash of code. I'm going to copy it and bring it into, whoa, that's big, Inkscape. Inkscape is a free drawing program I use. Now, I want to scan this as an SVG, but I want to scan it as 4 different colors. I want to scan it once for this part, which is we're going to call white. This part, which is kind of purpley, but we're going to go with silver. One for this, which is sort of a yellowish orange. Closer to orange, I guess. Yeah, let's just go with that. And one for black. So we want 4 versions of this. So we're going to start by slowly bumping this threshold off. There we go. There's the first one. So right now it is only recognizing the black colors. Right there. Now we're going to move it over here. And keep bumping the threshold up. Now it is incorporating the silver. We want that. Good. Now move down here. Keep bumping it up. Now it also has the orangish yellow. And now, over here, we're going to go all the way up. And that is going to be our background. So essentially we have 4 different layers here, and we're going to color each of them. So I'm going to save, and I'll meet you guys over in TinkerCAD. So we're over here in TinkerCAD, which is not the best 3D design program, but it's one I do use a lot for simple projects, and in this case, it's actually kind of ideal for making this. It's actually the one I do most of my teaching in, just because I'm tending to teach, you know, between 2nd to 8th graders. So I'm going to import, and let's go ahead and grab that Missingno. Drop it in. It's going to read all that imageness, and now we have 4 levels. Now, we are going to have to split this up, and the only way to do that in TinkerCAD is manually, which is a little annoying. So now we have all 4 sizes. So now we have to start stacking them. This is going to be our white layer. We're going to have that be, I don't know, 3 millimeters. Now we're going to have this one be 6, this one be 9, this one be 12. You basically want to go up in order of what's going to take the most amount of material to the least. And now, select them all, and we're going to arrange them. Just like... Actually, no. Before we do that, let's color them. That is the white layer. This is the silver layer. Actually, no. Or is this the orange layer? I think this one's the silver layer. Well, we'll compare. Boom. See, you are limited in what colors you can use based on what colors are actually available to print. But now that they're colored, let's arrange. Boom. How's that look? I'd say pretty good. Ended up with something that looks pretty... Wait a sec. Oh, wait! Okay, I was wondering why it wasn't all perfect. There is a little issue. So let's see. These are 125.77. This is 120.76. 125.77. I was wondering why the black wasn't matching up. 54.68, 54.69. Okay, yeah. It was only measuring the overall distance. Let's just see. Alright, everything else is the same size. Now let's arrange it. And compare. Oh, yes. That is what we're looking for. I think I'm going to do just a little bit of cleanup. And then I'll meet you guys over in Slicer. Alright, I did some cleanup on the file. Just had to mess around with a couple dimensions. And now we're going to go ahead and drag it into our slicing program. Boom. Oh, look at that. So, let's slice it, see how long this is going to take. 2 hours and 15 minutes. That's not bad. What if we bump the quality up, though? Is that going to make a negligible diff? Yeah. The timing gets better, but I feel like as a quick preview, we can just do this a little quicker. But now we need to make sure that there's layer changes. Oh, you'll notice the inside of 3D prints are not solid. They are, in fact, full of this infill. So, we want to make sure we add layer changes to each one. So, here there'll be a layer change. Here there'll be a layer change. And here. So now at each of these, the print will pause, and I will go over and change the color out. Starting with white, then over to, I believe, the orange is next? Yeah, the orange is next. Then silver, and then black. So, let's head over and watch a time lapse. And there we have one Missingno. Pretty happy with it. I think the coloring needs a little work, and I might want to shave down some of the black parts, but overall, yeah, that's how you turn something into a 3D print. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to see more videos 2 times a week from Game Boy Roulette, Dollar Store Gaming, 10 Things You Missed, and much, much more. I'm Brian J, and I'll see you next time.